What's up everybody, I'm Harry and welcome to my Air Jordan 3 Animal Instinct unboxing video. Right off the bat you can see the box has so much fire on it. Like it features a lot of pictures. For example, the Jordan 2 OG, the cartoonist version, the last shot, and even the design and sketching of the Jordan 11. Like, the box is sick, and I definitely gonna take care of it. Definitely gonna keep it. Now, for the shoes, also, so much fire, man. I like the normal Jordan 3s with the elephant imprints. This one has the cheetah imprint on it. The material is also very unique. It has the pony head kind of material. It reminds me of the Jordan 4 Olivia Kim. On the back of the shoe, you can see the Jumpman logo. The bottom sole looks good. And here you can see me wearing the shoe. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.